So right here, I have the perfect accent chair for your home. This is the chenille accent chair, and this is in green. It also comes in gray, and this is also perfect to have as a pair, or you could just keep it as one. You can see how nice this looks in my room with the coffee table, a little bit of decor, and these green curtains behind me. I have shades of green in my house, and I thought this would be absolutely perfect. Now, when I sit down in this chair, this high density foam is incredible. It feels like I'm on a cloud. I'm 150 pounds. I'm not bottoming out whatsoever. It seems like there's almost like 5 inches of high density foam right here in this seat. One thing that I like about this accent chair is you could take off the material and the fabric on the cushions. You can actually wash them, so it just makes it easy to clean. This material is actually really rich color, rich quality, so it's gonna be resistant to fading, which is obviously really nice because I have this right next to my window, so the sun is gonna be shining on the chair, and I don't want this chair to be fading whatsoever. An assembly on this chair is actually really easy. There's going to be 4 bolts that go into the sides that hold on this support frame, and then the armrests are just going to slide into the back. So it's very easy, very simple. You can install this chair in probably 10 minutes or less. It didn't take me very long at all, but it was really easy, and the directions were very easy to follow. So on the bottom here, we're going to have a really dark wood leg, and it's really nice because it has a feature on the bottom that is like a rubberized almost material. So I was dragging it across my hardwood floor and it wasn't scratching whatsoever. I wasn't even nervous about doing it because after I saw it and felt it, it was nice. So you could pull this around, move it around. It's not super heavy. It'd be more ideal to lift it with 2 people, but dragging it across the floor was really not an issue. Now, something like this would be perfect for your bedroom. If you have a little nook, you could have it in your living room like I have here, set up with a nice coffee table, maybe put another one right next to it. It's gonna look absolutely amazing. Or you can put this in a family room, a breakfast nook. It's just all around a very versatile chair, and that's why I love accent chairs in general, because they can serve a multi-purpose in the home. You can move them around and they work. They're not just dead set on one spot. It's got a really nice ergonomic feel on my arms as well. It's a nice wide armrest, and it has a lot of padding in here too, so I could just see me like sipping coffee here, having my arm just resting, and it's just really nice. Watch TV, your favorite show, a movie. You could definitely have guests in this chair and they're gonna be very comfortable, no need to worry. It is pretty wide too. So like I said, I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I have a lot of room on the side. I still have about a half a foot in here, so it's gonna be really comfortable. The pillow is gonna have a really nice soft material. It's gonna be different from this foam, and it's just a nice backrest on here. This chair does have a little bit of like a lean back, so you're not gonna be sitting straight up in a posture, which again, I think it's a nice chair to just relax in. It's not something that you're gonna be like sitting in, you know, straight up and down. You're gonna be sipping on some coffee, watching your show, hanging out in your living room, family, guests, all just chit-chatting and just having a good time. The material on here is actually really high quality. I was surprised when I felt it. It's really soft to the touch, and if you don't know what chenille is, it's kind of like a corduroy material. Now, we do have like an embroidered stitching going around, which just gives it another form of design and just looks really nice. If you are looking for the perfect accent chair that's gonna give a little bit of pop of color and be versatile and just look amazing, this is the one that I recommend. Go and check it out, add it to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.